Who else went to Hobby Lobby this weekend? Me! So yeah. Hey you guys, for today's video, I have a big shopping haul. So I went to Hobby Lobby this weekend and I went to the 90% clearance section. Oh my gosh, I could not believe it. I found so many cute stuff and I only paid around $40 for everything that I have here on the pile right here. So yeah, I am super excited to share it with you guys, because if you haven't noticed, I had been decorating my house, but I'm trying to decorate my house on a budget. So when I went to Hobby Lobby, I knew they were having sales. I did not expect that going to have 90% clearance. I bought a lot of stuff, and you guys, these are cute stuff, and I bought them not because they are on sale, just because they're also what I like. They're like my style. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to randomly grab a bag because I have like 8 bags here. So I'm just going to grab whatever bag that is closer to me. So the first thing I have here are actually 2. I bought 2 of them because, you know, these are the last ones on the shelf, so I thought I might as well grab them. So I got these 2 Mercury vases. Yeah, I really like it. It's like super nice, and it's a good size. It's probably a medium size, and the original price was $19.99, and you guys, I got it for, closer, focus you guys, focus, $2. Yay! I am super excited about this one. So that's why I got 2 of them for $2 each. Yay! So that was a steal. Yeah, can you see? I was like so excited when I went there. I was just like, oh my gosh. Anyway, okay, relax, remain calm. Okay, now let's grab the other bag. So this one is another flower vase. And this one, it's in this cobalt blue ceramic vase. And this one is tall. Actually, let me compare. See? So this one is a tall one. I also got 2 of these, just because I can. So yeah, and the price, the original price was $39.99, and I got it for $4. Yay! Oh my gosh. I'm sorry you guys, I just can't contain myself. I'm so excited. So yeah, I already showed you I have 2 of these. So let me just put them here and be very careful not to break them. So the next one I have is this platter, and look, it's so pretty. It's like ceramic. And the original price was $39.99 as well, but I got it for $4. I really like the plate. Actually, really big. It is like a light pink, and it has like specks all over it, and it has a gold trim on the edge. Yeah, I really like it. It looks like a ceramic type of plate. And look, it's so big, and I can't wait to use it. I'm probably going to use it for decoration purposes only, but if I need to put some pasta or salad or whatever, I can also use that. So yeah, I really like this one, and it's like a blush pink. So that's that. So let me save the receipt here because I'm going to show it to you later on, like my total amount of the stuff that I bought. And this one is like my favorite finds. So this one is called a ginger jar, and this is a medium size. You can remove the top, and I got this for $4.99. The original price was $17.99, so I got it for $4.99. So yeah, yay, super cute. And where's the other one? I also have, so this is the mini one, mini size, and it's $3.74, and original price was, oh, I can't see it because it has a tag. It's covered, but yeah, so that's the small size, and this is the other one. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, it's so easy. It was so easy for me to get it because I love white and I love blue. That's why I got them, and plus I love ginger jars. Yeah, it's just super cute. I also got some flower bouquets. I got 2, and this was in the spring section. It was this one. These are 50% off, so I got this for $5. So I was thinking is putting it right there, and I have a little setup already. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, I'm actually, the reason why I'm into decoration is, I was buying home decors and stuff because I told you I am going to make over our bedroom. If you notice, I already finished this. I already updated our headboard. I'm probably going to upload a video on how I did that, probably in the next couple of days. I have one more bag, and I promise you I'm done. Yeah, this is kind of heavy. So this is what I got. So these ones are just like small stuff, but this one, you guys, when I saw this, I was like, whoa, it's super pretty. I just love it. It's made out of wood, and the original price was $24.99, and I got it for, focus please, $2.50. Yay, I like it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna use it for yet. I might just put it as a decoration. It could be, it doesn't have to be fall because, you know, it's not a maple leaf. So I can use this all year round. That's why I like it, because I like decorations that I can use all year round, especially big items like that. But yeah, I could not pass it up. It was only $2.50. And these are the smaller accessories that I found. And this one is, I actually don't know what this is for. I don't know what is this. I think this is like a vase that you put on the table like that. I'm thinking I'm going to put like some sort of succulents here. I wonder if I can hang this onto the wall. So yeah, it just has a gold trim, very geometric, very modern style, and it has gold finish. And the original price was $15.99, and I got it for $160. How awesome is that? So yeah, so this is the only one there. Yeah, if I'm feeling inclined, I'm gonna go back to Hobby Lobby this week. And I also found these. I'm going to take it off the wrapper because it's super cute. It's a hook. It's gold, and it has like some sort of like marble. It's not marble, almost like opalescent style there. And I was thinking I'm going to use this by the front door, like the hallway, to use it as a coat hanger. So I bought 4 of these, actually 5. I bought 5 of these, and they are only, yeah, it was only $1. Original price was $9.99. So I got 5 of these because I can. So yeah, I got 5 of these, so that was a steal. Okay, the last one I have here are these drawer pulls. Also a same finish. It has like a opalescent or pearlescent, and it's gold. It's actually a good quality. I got it for $1.20. Original price was $12. So I am super happy with that. I got 2. I have a plan for this, you guys. I'm going to do a DIY project using these items, so I'm very excited to do that. So actually that's it. That's all I got. And so the total amount that I paid for this is, I'm going to show it to you. Focus. It's not focusing. There you go. $36.56. all these items. Oh my gosh, you guys, if I buy all this in regular price, like if I go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods, all of this stuff here, it's not gonna cost $36. It's going to be probably 100 plus. So yeah, so that's it you guys, and I hope you like this shopping haul. I haven't done a video like this in forever, but today I am so inspired because I am just like decorating my bedroom. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Yeah, I am going to show you the mess on the bed if you want to see that. Okay, bye! So this is my haul today. As you can see, I have a massive pile of home decors. I'm so excited.